In the world of finance, there are names that resonate with legend. One of them is Jim Simons, a mathematician of exceptional brilliance who, with an innovative approach and a pinch of luck, managed to turn a small investment fund into a financial giant. From mathematician to investor, Simons' story begins in academia. PhD in mathematics from the University of California at Berkeley, he dedicated his life to research in differential geometry and cryptography. However, a secret passion drove him: the world of investments. The birth of Renaissance technologies. In 1982, Simons decided to take the leap and founded Renaissance Technologies, an investment fund with a unique focus, applying mathematics and science to financial decision-making. His first fund, Medallion, was a resounding success, generating annual returns that far outpaced the rest of the market. The secret of success. What was Simons' secret? His strategy was based on quantitative data analysis, using complex algorithms to identify patterns in the market and make more accurate investment decisions. This strategy, pioneering in his time, gave him a significant competitive advantage, a giant in the shadow. Unlike other Wall Street titans, Simons has preferred to keep a low profile. Renaissance Technologies operates with almost total secrecy, which has fueled the fascination and mystery surrounding his figure. Legacy and lessons. Today, Simons is one of the richest men in the world, with a fortune estimated at more than $20 billion. His legacy goes beyond his financial success. He has inspired a new generation of investors to use math and science to make smarter decisions. Keys to Jim Simons' success. Innovative approach. Application of mathematics and science to the world of investments. Quantitative analysis. Using complex algorithms to identify patterns in the market. Discipline and patience. Long-term strategy with a focus on sustained profitability. Secrecy. Renaissance Technologies' low-profile culture and discreet operation. Lessons for investors. Financial education is essential to make smart decisions. Diversification is key to reducing risk and increasing stability. Patience and discipline are essential to achieve long-term success. Innovation and the search for new strategies are key to standing out in the market.